You know why men love playing video games though? Because I love going where I'm celebrated, not where I'm tolerated. And when I do good on the game, I get an unlocked screen, I get achievements, I get leveled up, I'm the man in the game. So I'm gonna go here. At my job, I go to my job, I'm not good enough. Every time my wife asks me to do something, it's not good enough. I check on my friends, it's not good enough. So I'm gonna go to the one place that every single, I'm celebrated here. And I know men aren't perfect. I know I should find my value at the cross, but sometimes my flesh wants some validation. And be careful, men, be careful.